present PPT on a circuit interrupting device. My group member name is Devendra Jachak and second is Lokesh Chaudhary. Name of interrupting device. First is MCB, second is fuse, third is ECB, fourth is ELCB and fifth is ECC, RCCB. MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker automatically switch off the electrical circuit during the abnormal condition of the network, means the overload condition as well as a faulty condition. MCB is much more sensitive to our circuit than the fuse, handing of an MCB electrically safe than a fuse. Working of MCB. Under normal working condition, MCB operates as a switch to make a circuit on or off. Under overload, the short circuit condition, it automatically operates or trip so that current interruption takes place on the load circuit. The visual induction of the trip can be observed by automatically movement of the operating knob on off position. This automatic operation MCB can be obtained in two ways as we have seen in MCB construction. Those are magnetic tripping and the thermal tripping. This is the diagram of miniature circuit breaker. Construction of MCB. And MCB anodized complete included in a module instruction material. This provide mechanically strong or insult heavy to the switching system consists of the fixed and a moving contact of to which incoming and outgoing wire is connected. The thermal or current carrying part are made up of electronic copper or silver allowed to depending on the rating of the circuit breaker. This is a construction diagram of MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Advantages of miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker are more sensitive or to current than a fuse. They immediately detect any abnormality and switch off the electrical circuit automatically. This prevent any permanent damage to electrical appliance and the human beings. Disadvantages of miniature circuit breaker. The cost of miniature circuit breaker is greater than the fuse. The cost of miniature circuit breaker distribution board in generator than that renewable fuse board. The risk of overloading of the circuit due to unqualified of the person operating then completing remove. Second is fuse. The electronic and electrical engineering of a fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of the electrical circuit. Is an essential components is of a metal wire to strip and metals prevent too much current flow through it nearby stopping the interrupting that current. This is a original diagram of fuse. Construction of fuse. A fuse consists of a metal strip of wire. Fuse elements of small cross section compared to the circuit conductors mounted between the pair of electrical terminals and enclosed by a non-combustible housing. The fuse of arranged in a series to carry all the current passing through the protect circuit. Advantages of fuse. It is the cheapest from protection and it does need any maintenance. Its operation is completely automatic and required less time as compared to the circuit breaker. The smaller size of fuse element improves a current limiting effect under short circuit conduction. Disadvantages of fuse. During short circuit or overload, once fuse below of replacing a fuse takes time. During this period, the circuit When fuse are connected in series, it is different to discriminate the fuse unless the fuse has significant size difference. Type of fuses: first is renewable semi-enclosed fuse, second is totally enclosed carrier fuse, third is higher recruiting capacity fuse, fourth is dropout fuse, and last one is exposed fuse. We have seen the all types of fuses. First is renewable semi-enclosed fuse. Renewable fuses, also known as Kit Kat type fuse, are used in interrupt fault current of lower magnitude. It consists of two parts: a based and a based a fuse carrier. The based is made of protection and carrier of the fixed contents to which the incoming and outgoing phase wire are connected.
Totally enclosed cartridge fuse. The fuse element is totally enclosed in an enclosed container, and it has a metal contact on both sides. These fuses are further classified as a D-type cartridge fuse and the link type cartridge fuse. Highest rupturing capacity fuse. HRC fuse or high high capacity fuse. In that types of fuse, the fuse wires or element can carry short circuit heavy current for a known time period. During this time, if the fault gets removed, then it does not blow off. The enclose of HRC fuse is either of glass or some other chemical compound. Dropout fuse. Dropout fuse are a protection device that protect networks and equipment from a current surges and overloads. And overcurrent will melt the fuse element in the carrier, disconnecting the line or equipment. They also provide network isolation points when manually operated with a hot stick. Exhaustion fuse. An explosion fuse is a vented fuse in which the explosion effect of the gas is produced by the internal arcing, either alone or aided by other mechanisms, result in a current interruption. An explosion fuse is not a current limiting and as a result limits the duration of a fault on the electrical system, not the magnitude. Next is air circuit breaker, ACB. Air circuit breaker is electronic equipment that is used for the protection of a electric circuit from short circuit currents or overcurrent. The air circuit breakers operate at atmospheric pressure in air. Air circuit breaker is a use in a switching mechanism and protection of the electrical system. Construction of air circuit breaker. The air circuit breaker consists of three types of contact in a compressed air chamber. The the three contacts are the main contacts which carries the load current, the arching arcing current which carries arching current, the arching horns. Next is working of air circuit breaker. Air circuit breaker are breakers use compressed air to blow, but the arc or alternatively the contact are rapidly swag into a small sealed chamber that escaping of the displaced air, thus blowing but the arc. This type of circuit breaker operates in air at atmospheric pressure. This is a construction diagram of air circuit breaker. Types of air circuit breaker: plain air circuit breaker, air blast. Second is air blast circuit breaker. Third one is cross blast air circuit breaker, and fourth one is axial blast circuit breaker. This is the actual images of air circuit breaker. Advantages of air circuit breaker: cheapness and free availability of the interrupting medium, chemically stable and internals of air. Air blast circuit breaker have advantages of high speed operation. In air blast circuit breaker, fire hazards is eliminated unlike in oil circuit breakers. Disadvantages of air circuit breaker. Disadvantages of air circuit breaker: the operating voltage is limited up to 10 kilo 10 kilovolt because of less dielectric strength compared to SF6 and air blast. Second one is the interrupting current capacity is limited to the 10,000 ampere. Second one is ELCB. ELCB stand for earth leakage circuit breaker. An earth leakage circuit breaker, that is ELCB, is a safety device used in electrical installation with high earth impedance to prevent shock. It detects small stray voltage on the metal enclosures of electrical equipment and interrupts the circuit of if a dangerous voltage is detected.
Now, first one is construction of ELCB. The working principle of voltage ELCB is quite simple. One terminal of the relay coil is connected to the metal body of the equipment to be protected against earth leakage, and other terminal in connected to the earth directly. This voltage difference produce a current to flow the relay coil. Now next one is working of ELCB. First work, operation. Depend on operation. An ELCB is specialized type of latching relay that has buildings incoming main power connected through the switching connect, so that the ELCB is disconnects the power when earth leakage is directed. Second work, the ELCB detects fault current from live to earth, means ground wire within the installation. It protects. Next one is advantages of ELCB. First advantages is ELCBs are less sensitive to fault conditions and have few nuisance trips. Second advantages is while current and voltage on the ground line generally fault current from a live wire, this is not continuously the case. Therefore, there are conditions in which an ELCB can announce trip. Next is disadvantages of ELCB. First is failure to response at certain condition. Second, ELCB needs a sound earth connection for the load protect. Next is ELCBs introduce additional resistance and an additional points of failure into no voltage to cause it to trip. This is the ELCB. Now next one is RCCB. RCCB is the residual current circuit breaker. Is an important safety measure when it comes to protection of electrical circuit. It is current sensing device which can automatically measure in disconnected the circuit whenever a fault occurs in the connected circuit or the current exceeds the rated sensitivity. Working of RCCB. First work is RCCB work on the principle of Kirchhoff's law, which state that the incoming current must be equal to the outgoing current is a circuit. RCCB thus compare the difference in current value between live and natural wire. On spotting a residual current, the RCCB is triggered to trip off the circuit. Next one is advantages of RCCB. First advantage is provides protection against earth fault as well as any leakage current. Second one is automatically disconnected the circuit when the rated sensitivity is exists. Third one is offered possibility of dual termination. Both of the cable and bus bar is connected. Connections. Next one is disadvantages of RCCB. First disadvantages is the RCCB does not guarantee to operate if non-standard waveform are generated by loads. Next is there might be some unwanted tripping of RCCB. RCCB does not protect from current overload. RCCB does not protect against line natural shocks. This is the RCCB. Now next one is difference between fuse and MCB. In MCB, NCB trip in excessive load condition, but fuse melt in excessive load condition. MCCB compact in size, but and fuse has protein base. MCB relatively costlier than fuse, means fuse is relatively cheaper than the MCB. MCB work on the bimetallic expansion, and fuse work on the melting due to high temperature. Next one is difference between MCB and ACB. Now ACB is used single phase and three phase power supply, and ACB use only three phase power supply, means high current. MCB work up to 6A to 25 ampere current range, and ACB work up to 630 ampere to 6300 ampere current range. MCB is unadjustable device and ACB is an adjustable device. MCB short circuit time in 3 ms and ACB short circuit time in 30 ms.